typical dust storm occurs during the summer monsoon season, where you get thunderstorms forming and it causes an outflow of air. That outflow of air lifts the soil out of the degraded lands and entrains it into the atmosphere. And so that's why we're looking at Pinal County, because that's one of the regions where some of the dust storms originate and then they get transported into the Phoenix metropolitan region.
Two groups at Arizona State had been working on independently on very different potential solutions. One using natural biocrust, microorganism crust that grow naturally in the desert and protect the surface from formation of fugitive dust, and another one chemically based but also bio-inspired that has to do with the formation of a carbonate crust. And our solutions essentially are geared towards increasing the resistance of the soils to losing its particles to entrainment in wind flow.
One thing Arizona has lots of is dust. What Arizona doesn't have a lot of is water. Through the Regents grant program, the Arizona Board of Regents is supporting research at the state and public universities to help make dust-related challenges more manageable. University researchers are working directly with farmers to better understand how dust forms and moves and identify practical steps to reduce its impact.
A typical engineering approach to decreasing dust entrainment from soils is spraying water. But that isn't durable, it doesn't scale well, and it takes a lot of water. So we're looking at nature to understand how can we do this in a way that is permanent and that can be scaled so that we can treat fallow agricultural lands across Arizona. So in the test site, we have different plots, 1 acre plots, that are treated with different dust suppression approaches to measure the efficacy of different ideas and different approaches.
Us in Central Arizona will certainly appreciate all the work that is done to control dust, and ASU is a partner with us.
So when we think about soil, water, and all the things that come from being more productive with less water, there's no better connection than to the universities to help them with those issues.